Everyone, welcome to this video. In this one we are going to install the AWS CLI in my Mac OS. Okay, and it's the Mac M1 with 16 gigs of memory. So I have already shown you guys how to install the AZ. So if I run AZ, this is the Azure CLI, it's already installed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to install AWS CLI. And just like that, as IT professional, you have to know how to follow the directions. So you would start with a search for AWS CLI. You come down to Amazon documentation, installing, updating, and uninstalling. So when you come down here, main thing that you notice there are two different versions. Version 1, of course, is the old one. Version 2 is the newer version. So let's just choose version 2. Now there are many different ways to install it. Since we're going to use the Mac OS, I'm going to select that one. Now over here, what we will do, we are going to come down over here, install and update the AWS CLI version 2 using Mac OS user interface. So let's just try this one out. So we're going to click that one. It's going to download that file that we need, and I'm going to allow this download. And next, double click on the downloaded file to launch the installer. Should be fairly easy. So let's just double click on it, and there we go. So we have the installer. So let's just go through it. And second, readme, yeah, all good. Third is license, yeah, good. Yeah, agree. And then installation type, okay, local default location is good for me. Hit continue. And if you want to change your install location, you can. I'm just gonna go with the default installation. And now it's asking me for my password, so let's just give it to them. And it's now running and installing the package, and there we go, your installation is now done. So that file, the pkg file, you don't need it anymore. You can move that to trash. Now over here, let's see AWS, and voila. So we have the AWS successfully installed in my machine. So now you are super powerful, right? You can do anything you want, a lot of it, if not everything, with your AWS command line to talk to your AWS instance. All right, have fun. If you have your Mac one, this installation should be very easy. It's all working, and go ahead and use your AWS CLI to talk to your AWS cloud instances. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.